Okay, so you can see how far we've gone with our work. Oh, this is looking so pretty. I'm so proud of it. And then we just thought we should show you one more strand being done, so you get used to this before we show you the finishing. So again, the string of hair in your hands, so you hold it in and then you start wrapping. But please feel free to ask questions, because we are quite happy to support you on this one. We want you to make money with this, which is what we always want to do on our channel, helping people achieve. Okay, so you notice what I'm doing. I'm just taking out the braided part, because if I do too much braiding of it, what happens is the way it looks when I'm stringing or locking, it stays a bit it doesn't come out smoothly. It kind of wraps in a very rough form. So if you allow the hair to be smooth, then your locks will be smooth as well. So now you see the difference between the part that I had the braids on and the part that I'm wrapping. Now lots of people kind of think that locking this hair is about braiding the whole strand of braid and then start to lock. No, if you do that, your lock won't look that nice. So and what I did say earlier too is just the, so this is all the natural hair that I'm kind of like pulling in, pushing in. Is the little technicalities of knowing how to hold the string in place when you wrap it around. So watch, you go like that and see that finger holds the hair, holds the extension for you. It just goes right there. This finger is blocking it dropping back, and that's the technicality involved, because if you didn't do that, it will fall right back on you and you won't be able to do anything. So when you start trying it on your own, just try and push your finger up and let it block it from going backwards. But like I said when we started, everything here is in the DVD pack.